Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be a super helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the traction control light on Volkswagen Tiguan 3rd generation, guys. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools or diagnostics for your traction control until you watch that video. It could be super simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the traction control or the traction control light, which fuses, relays we need to check, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The main one is under the hood, guys, but let's start with the hidden one. That's inside the vehicle. You wonder where? Well, check this thing out. If we come here on the driver's side, you open the door. On the left side of the steering wheel, underneath here, you have a hidden fuse box under a panel. When you remove that panel, that's what it looks like. You have some relays, and many other hidden relays will be in that car as well. Now, we made one special video on our channel that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It will be on our channel. Now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here, guys, the fuses that we need to check. Okay, you wonder where they're located. Starting here, we'll be checking multiple fuses. Then we need to go to a different fuse box. And the first one we need to check is fuse number 13. The fuse numbers will be listed right under the fuses. We're talking about this fuse right here, fuse number 13. Then you go to fuse number 14, right next to it. These two fuses will need to be checked. After that, we need to check fuse number 20. So that's 17, 18, 19, 20, another 5M fuse right here. And this is not it. We need to also check fuse number 23, that 10M fuse. So this one is a little bit loose, by the way. So this one as well, 23. Now, we may even check, guys, the parking brake control module fuses, which is fuse number 15 right here, fuse number 44. And fuse number 50 as well. Now, we're not done. You wonder why? Well, guys, we need to go under the hood. That's where things will differ some. Right here, okay, the fuse box that we need is under that cover. facing the engine, that's on the right side, the driver's side. When you open it, this is the fuse box layout for 2012 to 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. Specifically here, guys, we'll explain about that one, then we'll explain about 2008 to 2008 to 2011 year model. Here we need to check first fuse number 2, that 30 amp fuse right here, and then we need to locate, guys, fuse number 30 right here. Very important fuse. Also test your mega fuses here. You may have a fuse as well, guys. Test each one of these fuses. Now if you have 2008 to 2011 year model, things will differ some, and what you're gonna have here, the fuse box will look something like this one here, guys. It will be completely different fuse box, and here specifically you will need to check fuse number 4. Okay, so coming on this side, that will be fuse number 4, the 20 amp fuse, and then you will need to check fuse number 25. So 25 will be this big fuse right here. Also on the front side of the fuse box here, you're going to have the mega fuses. Check those as well. You have specifically dedicated relay. You may want to check your relays for the engine computer if you still have problems with it, but these are the main fuses known as relay fuses that we need to check. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.